Digley and Dazey are finishing up the gingerbread house on top of the big hill. I wonder what Digley is up to. Oops! That was close, Dazey. There's Mr. Rubble, all the way down at the bottom of the hill. He's putting up a sign to show the way to the gingerbread house. But where's Digley gone? Oh, he has made a welcome sign for the gingerbread house. Nice work. It looks great. Dazey loves it. Uh-oh, Dazey knocked the boulder down the hill and it's turning into a giant snowball. It's heading straight for Mr. Rubble and he hasn't noticed. What are they going to do? Dazey has an idea. Whoa! They're using Digley's sign as a sled, and now they're racing down the hill. Watch out for that tree. Good steering, Digley. That was a close one. Looks like Mr. Rubble still has no idea. Keep going, guys. You're nearly there. Watch out! Oh no, they've tripped over that rock. How will they catch up with the snowball now? Digley is determined to keep going. Oh no, the snowball is getting closer. Quick, guys, there's no time to lose. Dazey has spotted something ahead, a snowbank. Look at them fly. Now they're ahead of the snowball. They can use the sign as a ramp. It worked! Brilliant idea, guys. Phew! Digley and Dazey saved the day, just in time. And Mr. Rubble didn't even notice anything was wrong. Great work, team!